This is North Edge watch. It's a new design. The bezel is made of stainless steel, and the watch band is made of nylon. The back cover is also made of stainless steel. Okay. The waterproof is 50 meters, so we can wear it to swim. Before we use this watch, we need to set the time and day. Time. Return and day. We also need to set the units. And set the time units 20 hours. Day. Temperature unit F degree or centigrade degree. Air pressure unit inch Hg or HPA. Altitude meter or feet. And the weight unit pound or kilogram. Okay. Before we use the watch to climb mountain, we need to set our local altitude on the watch. We can check our local altitude on internet and then set the local altitude value on the watch. Okay, under the altitude and barometer mode. Okay, our local altitude is 50 meters. Okay, return. Return to time mode and then press button A under the altitude mode. The big word is our current local altitude, and the small word is the relative altitude. They are different. When we go to climb mountain, we need to clear the relative altitude to 0. We can long press the button B to clear the relative altitude. When we are on the top of the mountain, we recheck the relative altitude. The relative altitude will let us know the height of the mountain. We also can press the button A. Oh, the button B, we can switch the temperature and the climbing rate and the time and relative altitude. The temperature is our current temperature. There is a tip. If you want to measure the room temperature, we suggest you put the watch on the table and avoid any sunshine on the watch. When you put the watch on the table for about 15 and 20 minutes, then you can read the room temperature from the watch. If you wear the watch on our wrist, the temperature is affected by our body heat. Then the temperature value on the watch is higher than the actual room temperature. Okay. Press this button. This is our local current air pressure, and this is sea level air pressure, and this is the 48 hours air pressure trend chart. We also can press button B to switch time, temperature, sea level, air pressures. Okay. This watch have the sunset and sunrise time. We can select a city all over the world. This is Tokyo. Sydney. Select a city all over the world. For example, we choose the New York, and then return to the time mode, and long press. Then this is the New York sunset and sunrise time. You can check the New York sunset and sunrise times on the time mode. Very convenient. Okay. This watch also have pedometer functions and compass functions. When we press the C button, this is under the compass mode. When we use the compass for the first time, we need to calibrate the compass. Let me show you how to calibrate the compass. Under the compass mode, and long press the button C. Okay. Then rotate the watch horizontally and slowly. The watch will calibrate the compass automatically. Okay. We succeed to calibrate the compass. You can see there's 4 point on the watch. The big point direct to the north. And this opposite to the north is south. And this is west, and this is east. Okay. Here is countdown alarm. There are two groups alarm for our choose. 2 and 1. You can set 2 alarm, time alarm. This is dual time. You can select all the city all over the world. Sydney, for example, Sydney. Okay. Then return to time mode, and then long press the button A. Sydney time. Okay, you can see your current time and Sydney time under the time mode. Okay, this is new North Edge watch. Thank you.